long time ago.
Yeah, oh my God.
Okay,
Thank you.
your question.
Okay. Sige, Nestor.
Hi. Well, it's good to see you after all these years. No? My question is, what is your vision for Star Works in relation to TV5?
My vision, it's to build an organization, much like the other organizations that we have come up with over the years. Make it a professional organization. That's a dream, actually. It's a dream that we have had for many years. And that's what we hope to do here in TV5. Hopefully, well, we build up to a core of artists that can provide TV5 a set of their own actors and actresses. And yeah, who knows? Maybe, you know, we go, they acquire the veneer and the sheen of really good stars, maybe superstars. Who knows? Yun, yung parang ang vision namin. At least yung vision ko.
Yeah. Thank you. They say that with social media and all its platforms, creating and launching stars on their own in different platforms, how relevant is launching stars in the traditional television media?
Yeah. I still believe in TV as a medium of entertainment and of creating stars. The challenge now is to even accommodate and share the process of finding people that excite the imagination of people everywhere. Ang mga sa social media, they have their own platforms. They can do it by themselves. But I would call what they do mga short form, very short things. Sabi nga ni Andy Warhol, di ba, in the future, everybody will be famous for 15 seconds. So, ganun na nangyayari ngayon. 15 seconds. But TV, we hope to do traditional dramas, comedies, but maybe in a new way, in new ways, so that we don't bore the audience. About months ago, my daughter said that her kids were watching Bubuchano, yung mga comedy namin, Richard Gomez, mga batungan ng tubig sa ending. Gusto nila yun somehow. Saka yung mga Panchito Dolphy, ang ganda doon. So, baka nga may resurgence of ganun that sense of comedy and maybe of drama. I still think we can contribute to the larger audience.
Yeah, and I think TV and mainstream media, for that matter, renders a sense of legitimacy to artists. No? One final question. Why did you leave GMA7?
Tito Nestor, ha?
Yeah, well, I had a contract with Seven for So 3 years. 3 years, no? So I was there for 3 years. And yeah, for the most part, they treated me very well. I got along with, Jimmy Duave, and si Mr. Yalong. Yeah, some of the executives there. Of course, Attorney Gosman. And, but after 3 years, so, they probably thought, and with very good reason, that they could handle things. They just wanted to find out if I could teach them something or deliver something already in addition to what they had there. And siguro tapos na yan.
Okay.
And even with me, sabi ko tapos na yan.
Oh yeah, tapos na.
Sana
Okay.
tinanong,
Okay na yun, Mr. M. Next question.
hindi ko tinanong why did I leave the other channel?
Wala. Wala, Mr. M. Yes, so Bobby Regentina. Next question from Tito Bobby.
Hi, Mr. M. Magandang hapon po. Sir, and my question is, what are the major factors or considerations in choosing the 16 stars under this Starworks,
Yeah.
under Black One?
Oh.
Thank you po.
You know, when we choose people, siyempre yung X Factor, hindi mawawala yun eh. Yun ang it, the X Factor, the I don't know what it is. Pero andon, and I'm sure kayo rin, alam niyo yan eh, pag nakita ninyo X Factor. You look for a girlfriend, may X Factor yun. Unless, ko-collect mo lang. Tapos, may range na lang yun. But, yun, parang X Factor. And then, youth. Because we want them to grow with us. So we can grow together over a span of years, 5, 10 years. Dati ganun, sila Piolo, John Lloyd, Bea Alonso, we grew up together, actually 20, 30 years. So ngayon, kakasal na si Bea, si Lloydie, hinahanap pa namin si Lloydie. Lloydie, where are you?
Okay. Thank you.
Piolo, pogi pa rin yun.
Yun. Okay.
Saka Papa P pa yun. Up to now.
Yes. Next question from Lea Santerio. Ay, tatabihan namin kayo, Mr. M.
Hi. Si Lea.
Sir M, good
Hi.
afternoon. What do you think is the difference between the aspiring artists then and now with the coming of with the onslaught of social media now? The difference of the artists then and now.
The difference?
Yes.
Tanong natin kay kaay ko. Yeah. I think basically, parehas lang. Parehas. But,
Even with the
but
social media.
I think
yes.
with social media,
Yes.
mas merong, gigil. Yeah, kasi kailangan, nakikipag sila sa social media.
Interact.
So kailangan gigil. They want to get on camera right away, but that's a process. It takes time. Social media depends on your authenticity mo eh. Tawag nila ng authenticity. So kahit wala ka talagang what we call appeal. Ibang klaseng appeal naman nun sa social media. You create your own appeal. And people like that. Minsan ayaw nila yung pogi, ayaw nila yung maganda.
Really?
I think so. Yeah. But a lot of very pretty very handsome people are on social media. And when they go on and do their own thing, alam nila kung anong gagawin eh. So, hindi na tinuturo. This whole generation of people young people, my grandchildren, they grew up with the media. Imbes na lapis, iPad, camera, ang galing nila lahat. Mas magaling po sila umedit sa mga
They're teenagers na, your grandchildren, right?
yeah, my grandchildren are teenagers and they know everything. If I wish I knew what they knew when I was a teenager. Oh, iba sila. So it's a challenge. It's a challenge for the young people now in regular entertainment in mainstream.
Additional question, Mr. M. One last. The artists that you launched today, introduced today, will they be given individual projects or as a group, or what are the plans for them?
Yeah, some of them will be
Thank you.
given individual roles,
Alright.
but we already have a couple of
Projects.
shows
Shows.
ready for maybe most of them. Parang teen horror
Series.
horror drama.
Alright.
Saka na lang ko yung re-reveal yung title. But, ayun si Enrico. Enrico, yung script. Meron na yan.
Thanks, Mr.
Meron na
M.
yan. Some of them are earmarked already for individual shows.
Alright. Thank you.
Next question from Kate Adahar from Random Republica. Ayan, si Kate.
Hi, good
Okay.
afternoon, Mr. M. Over the years, has anything changed in your criteria in looking for a star?
I think same criteria. Basically, I think, hasn't changed. The outward appearance lang nagpapalit. But basically, human beings, parang same. But we always look for their willingness to work, their enthusiasm, their youth. Pagbata yan, and their youthful vigor, enthusiasm, that comes a lot, But alos parehas.
And speaking of work, can you think of an example of work made the star?
Work makes the star. Mr. Ryan Carlos. Work makes the stars. Okay. Ano yun? Ano yung work niya?
At most importance kay Mr. M yung discipline. And non-negotiable sa amin ni Mr. M yung kailangan bago sila ilagay sa shows. Number one sa amin yung ethics for actors. So I think yun yung meaning ng work makes stars. Kasi yung disiplina muna, which is yun yung hindi nawawala dun sa pagpili ni Mr. M. Go kagad sa training, as simple as sa training namin, if you're 1 minute late in my class, you're out of the room. But wait to be seated. Ang biro ko nga kay Mr. M, the only person who can let you in the class is Mr. M. Pero kapag pinapasok ka ni Mr. M at late, magre-resign ako. Pero biro lang. Pero yun ang number one ni Mr. M. Priority niya is, sa training is no latecomers and attendance.
Example lang yun. Marami yan.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay.
Next up, we have Nazamel Tabanes.
Hi, Mr. M. Other Asian countries like South Korea and Thailand are going global na po for their artists. May kasama rin po ba sa plans natin yung going global, and ano po yung mga plans niyo?
Next week, mag-global na kami. ready na kami, actually, to go global. Pero ano yun yung ganong klaseng pag-go global. Kailangan yan total yun di ba? Kami ready na kami, mga artista, entertainment, pero yung financial, yung state ng gobyerno, di ba? Marami yan nagiging critical mass yan, may pera. Maganda yung economy, maganda yung business. So, tulad sabi ni Mr. Vargas, the tide lifts all the boats, di ba? So, hinihintay namin yun sa mga ibang tao. Kami ready kami. Ready kami. Tulad ng Korea, di ba? That wouldn't have happened. Yung K-pop, hindi mangyayari yun kung yung ekonomiya nila na walang kwenta, di ba? So, ganun din yung nangyari with Japan before. Economy first, and then everything else after. Sabay-sabay yan, naging critical mass. Soft power ng bansa, yung mga kanta, yung mga pelikula, yung mga katha ng mga geniuses katulad ni Mr. Enrico Santos, si Gilmer, yan. Mga katang isip mo, shy. Pero yun, critical mass, naging critical mass yun. Tapos sasabog na lang yun.
Thank you.
Okay, last question. We'll take it from Mr. Alwin Ignacio for Mr. M. Alwin. Ayan.
Hello,
Hi, sir. Question. What is it about show business that makes you continue and strive and give your best?
Yun ang iniintay ko Kasi nasabi na ng iba pero na lang yun, how come I keep going?
Yes.
Yung mga artista dyan, katulad ng mga artista dyan, it's the youth, kung sasama ako dito kay Dino, okay lang sa akin, pero yung photo, hindi mo, ganun. Pero kung kasama ko dito, kaganda nila, diba? They're so youthful and so good looking. Diyan na lang ako. Ang inaral ko actually political science, architecture, art history. But, aksidente actually, yung nahulog na lang ako sa industriya. I don't know, some of you know, my mother used to be in the business. So, nung sa pagkatapos ng college, andito ako, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Doon muna ako sa show. She had a talk show. And, sabi ko, pwede ba ako pumunta sa booth? Sabi, nasa ako sa booth. Sino mga director ng... Oh God. Anyway, sila Nestor Torre yun. Even before Nestor, yung...
Joey Lardizabal.
Lou? Yeah. Joey. Alam niya. Alam niya. Yeah. Kabatcha. Yeah, anyway, so, pagpunta ko sa booth, after I got interested, and I said, sige, can I hang out in ABS? Tapos, umikot ako lahat ng shows. Comedy, drama. Kita ko sila, Ma'am Dolphy, si Ma'am Nano. Ganun ka, no? Oh my God, Ma'am Nano. Tapos dito pa. Ma'am Nano, yung mga yun. And, mga director, Al Quinn, Joey, sorry. Isip ko yung mga director na yun.
Mitos.
Ding, mga ding.
Mitos.
Oh, my
Alcuin.
first mentor, Mitos Villarreal. Yeah. And siya, ang dami kong ginaya. Galing kay Alcuin. But I said, kaya ko yan Kaya ko yung ginagawa nila eh. And hindi lang kaya, I enjoyed being there. So, pupunta ako nun, walang biro, 9 in the morning, hanggang 12 at night. So, umiikot ako. Paikot-ikot lang naman. Doing all sorts of jobs. Anyway, that's what keeps me, in the business. That's entertainment. Yung yung buong industriya. Yeah. Nothing like it. Yung mga politiko, gusto nila sana magwapo sila eh, pero ang pangit nila. Diba? Akala nila may mga utak sila, may mga utak rin kami, pero mas maganda at mas pogi kami kaysa sa kanila.
Thank you. And with that, we'd like to thank the press for their questions kay Mr. M.
Thank you.
Because right now, I'm sure the